Great for lounges and office break rooms, this MoTak microwave has an interior cooking space of 1 cubic foot, ideal for lunch-sized plates and bowls. This compact unit is high-powered and reaches an output of 1,000 watts. The front of the body features a simple-to-use touchpad that allows users to select from 10 digital touchpad control options. At the end of the cooking cycle, an audible alarm alerts the user. It sports a high-quality stainless steel interior and exterior and is assembled with a door featuring easy grip handles for quick interior access. To gauge the degree of doneness, the door features a glass panel design. For more information on microwaves to fit worktop spaces inside your establishment, visit KaTom.com or call our customer care team today.